Welcome back, everyone, for your next fall gathering. Why not bring a butter board to the party? It's like a charcuterie board, but it's focused on the spreads.
It's like a what kind of board?
Charcuterie.
Our next guest is sharing ideas for fall butter boards, along with the tools you need to put them together. Joining us live this morning is Kysha Harris.
Kysha.
Hello, darling.
Welcome.
News and features editor for the Spruce Eats.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
I mean,
happy fall.
Great to see you in person.
Yes.
Sounds good.
Yes.
sick. Okay, first of all,
Yes.
what is a butter board?
This one has questions already.
Listen, if you've not been on social media or the interwebs,
The interwebs.
Dang
you
it.
would not know it, but butter is the hot new thing.
Is that right? Butter is
Yes.
the new kale.
Butter is the new kale, exactly. Exactly. And listen, my favorite thing, simple, I think it's the great equalizer, butter and bread. And so
Just as healthy.
Right, just as healthy. And it's so simple and so much fun, and you can do so many things with it. And today, I'm going to do a fall butter board.
Okay.
So, these are just some of my flavors that I like to put together that I
Okay.
think are fabulous. So you guys step over here.
We're gonna
swing
do.
over.
We're
Yes,
gonna
we're
do a little
swapperoo.
Okay.
All right, so here we are. We're going to start with some European butter. And why European butter? Because it has higher milk fat, so that better flavor, fattest flavor.
I was going to ask about that because
Yes.
recently I was in France, but we tasted the butter there and we're like, this is amazing.
Yes.
butter.
Delicious.
This is not U.S. butter.
At
This-
all.
So it is different.
It's
Okay.
so different. And so this is just for me, so we're going to make a board for you guys later. No, I'm kidding.
Kysha, she's like, I don't
this
know.
all
what
planned out
I don't know what
already.
you guys are eating. Question though,
Yes.
European butter.
Yes.
Is that readily available? Can we just go to our local?
You can. You can.
Grocery store?
There's great brands, Kerrygold. There's other brands. It just has higher milk fat, and you can taste it.
And it's butter, not margarine.
It's butter, girl.
Thank you.
Can't
Yes.
do the margarine.
No.
No wearing the crown
No,
thing. That's
no,
not allowed.
okay.
No, it's good,
Butter.
it's good for your skin as well.
Yeah.
You can lather it on, too.
So there's some essential tools that we're going to use that I encourage people to use in the kitchen to make this board. First, we've got this
board.
fabulous, beautiful board, and invest in it. It's
Yeah.
something that you're going to have for a while. You can use it for myriad things: charcuterie boards, butter boards, peanut butter boards. You can
Hey.
try that. That's kind of cool too.
I like to use it sometimes. I make cupcakes and I
Ooh,
arrange
yes, I
for a
love it.
little
A good
autumnal
board. You need a good
situation.
board.
And it also serves as a trivet if you need it.
If in
Do you have to treat these boards beforehand, though?
You
or-
do. You should wash them with soap and water and dry them, and then you can use a little oil, specifically for the boards to care for them.
not us getting involved in the tools. Okay,
All right,
give
no.
me-
What about the butter?
Okay, so what we're going to start with is this is apple butter. Now you could use pumpkin butter, but I thought the theme of a butter board, butter on butter.
butter two ways.
Right.
Look at you.
It's
Look
very
at
meta.
you, what you're doing here.
I know. You guys grab a spoon.
So you just spread the butter. You obviously want it to come to room
Yes, you
temperature
want it to
so
come
that it
to room-
is
exactly.
spreadable.
You can use an offset spatula in order to kind of smooth it down. And
There's an art form to that.
I
Look
know.
at this.
And if you mess up, bench scraper is a key ingredient when prepping stuff. If you mess up, scrape it off
and start all over again.
Start all over again.
Looks like it could be therapeutic.
It is
sort of
very
making these
therapeutic.
little
Exactly.
mountain ranges.
Jackson Pollock
Yeah.
view.
And what we
Okay.
want to do is we want to play with savory sweet. We want to
Yeah.
play with textures. We want to play with all those things. So to go with apples, I happen to love rosemary. So we have
Oh.
some minced rosemary over here.
May I?
Marisol, please.
My hands are cleanish.
Listen, exactly.
Okay.
And
The
go
ish part.
high, go high.
Yeah.
Yes,
High.
that's the
Oh.
shovel.
Yeah, that's
yes.
that. Listen,
Ooh, look at you.
for any of the sauce,
I love it.
people are
Yeah.
like,
Yes.
you gotta
You
go
gotta
up.
get
I
the
want you
gravity.
to be my rosemary bay, and I want you to just dabble it
I
off of the
just
elbow.
want to be your any bay. I don't care.
Yes.
Oh,
Marisol,
backhand
go.
move. Backhand
You
move.
like
We're
that?
missing the
Love it.
backhand
Love
move.
it.
I love that
And
style.
I would love you to
She's
put
got
some
style.
salt. We have some fleur de sel over here. Some
Go high.
salt.
Oh, wow, salt.
Go high. You're the salt bay. Look, yes. Go, go,
And
go.
one last
Come on now.
See. For good luck.
I don't know if any of it got in there.
That's
but-
None
fine.
of it, it's fine.
It's good. It's
Good
good
luck,
luck. And then we're going to take a little zest of orange, rosemary, apple. You want to get flavors
Sure,
that
you
go
thought
together.
about this.
Think of what's going on here.
Okay, so pa.
Right.
My taste buds are all over the board
Exactly.
here,
And
so
what
to speak.
happens is
Pardon
the
the pun.
natural oils from the orange
yeah.
mix with the fat from the butter,
Do you
and it just
smell that? Smells
right?
divine.
Right? Okay, so we're gonna do that.
Then,
We're not done yet.
We're not done yet.
There's more.
Baby.
Now,
Pepitas.
okay, well, we're going to start with the granola. We have a
Oh,
beautiful pepita apple, dried apple granola. Apple on apple fall. Let's get into it.
I
No,
thought,
I'm
I thought it was
not-
Go for
I
it.
thought that was potpourri for a minute. It came out of the. No, never mind.
Yeah, well, you can take
This
that home
is
and put it in your
food
mouth.
potpourri.
Yes,
You-
exactly.
you want to take this home?
It looks like
Nobody
potpourri.
feeds you at
I
home?
wanna eat
You need
this.
some
No, no, no.
granola?
Exactly.
This is not for scenting. This is for
Do you
eating.
know what? I also, this in my mind, for all the friends that I don't have that I invite over, I would have them do this as an activity.
Yes.
So that I don't have to talk to them.
Exactly. Here we are.
So you don't have to talk to them.
Yeah, we
Another
could have
excuse.
we could have some hot apple cider. We could have some
Or
whatever.
a nice Cabernet.
Yes.
But it is kind of fun that
Okay.
everybody
It
can
is.
get involved.
Okay.
and
Everybody
make
gets
their own.
involved.
Exactly.
Okay.
Then
And
we're
you're
gonna
not,
put some
we're not
pepitas.
animals. We're
I
not
was-
just going to scoop
no,
this up
no.
with a
We need
ladle.
bread.
No, we
Bread.
need bread.
Okay.
So here's our finished butterboard. Isn't that fabulous?
Well, yours looks a little more put
Can we?
together
I
than
mean, you
ours.
can. And what I brought is I brought some Harlem Biscuit Company biscuits,
Oh.
buttermilk biscuits. They're
Excuse me?
fabulous.
We
So this
needed
is
a
butter
buttermilk
on butter
biscuit.
on butter.
On butter on butter. Right,
No
exactly.
redundancy, don't worry
So
about
we're
it.
just going to put these around.
The more butter, the better.
Exactly. And maybe some crackers.
Sure.
Okay.
For a little crunch.
And then here are
What's
his.
this?
These are biscuit chips, which are
Do you want the top- do you want the top of
outstanding.
I want the Harlem biscuit.
I'm gonna try
Yes.
a little Harlem biscuit.
Let's do it together.
how
Can
do you-
we?
how do you do this?
So you just
Okay.
get in.
Get in there, girl.
Just get in.
Go
No
in.
technique.
Just get
Get
in.
everything.
I'm gonna do this one just because
Okay.
the biscuit
think
is
better with a
so
knife.
I know.
fluffy.
You're so
I
proper.
know.
Well, some
The
It's
girl
kind of
from the
the fun
Bronx, look
of
at
it.
you.
Cheers,
Okay.
everybody.
Oh, wow.
Cheers like an animal.
Oh,
Cheers,
God.
cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Wow. There's so many different flavors going on.
Oh my God, that's good.
That's a fall explosion right there, though. It really is.
The fall
You
butterboard.
killed it, girl.
Let's go.
Okay, for more creative fall recipes and ideas, you can visit the website,
Yes.
spruceeats.com.
Yes.
Keisha,
Thank you so much.
can you
This is
stay and
amazing.
make like 7 more?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, fantastic.
You just